Hey guys, our today's video is about Vuzix M400 AR smart glasses. If you want to know more information about this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. The Vuzix M400 AR smart glasses emerged at the beginning of January 2020, promising access to Vuzix proprietary waveguide optics, as well as a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon X-Rone platform. The product offers high-level computing and performance taken from the X-Rone headset that came before it, with 8 cores and higher RAM storage. The enhanced AR capabilities also allow for a completely see-through display. The Vuzix M400 AR smart glasses are sleek and lightweight, perfect for all-day wear. They wrap around the whole head, reducing the risk of damage if they were to fall off your face. The mechanical design has also received an upgrade for this headset, with rugged protection against water and dust for harsh environments. The display also got an upgrade with a proprietary waveguide base lens and an additional DLP system, with a boosted resolution of 850 forks for 180. The M4000 is available as part of a starter kit, which comes with a range of accessories intended to improve comfort. Accessories range from an adjustable power bank to a hat mount or safety helmet mount, with various mounting options, an I67 rating for water and dust resistance, and a drop safety of up to 1 meter. Vuzix has covered everything for professional users. The M4000 uses the market-leading M400 from Vuzix as a foundation, with a stronger see-through display that allows for a more natural viewing state. The M4000 comes with Snapdragon X-Rone processing technology built in for high-level performance and greater software support for long-term updates and enhancements. The display resolution of 854 x 480 looks excellent, thanks to the extra crystal clear display intended to allow for better, more natural viewing. There's a diagonal 28 degrees FOV and up to 5,000 nits of brightness too, with 24-bit color and an aspect ratio of 16:9. This will make for a valuable AR alternative to looking at your smartphone or tablet every so often. The 8-core processor in the M4000 is also accompanied by an Android 9.0 OS, a 64 GB internal flash memory, and a 64 GB internal memory. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.